Hello everyone and welcome to our new LD Export channel. One of the only channel in the web where you will hear about the Middle East and more specifically about the Gulf countries, the 6 GCC, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, and of course the United Arab Emirates with Dubai and Abu Dhabi. In these videos, we would like to talk to you about the tips on how to do business with locals, successful stories, and of course practical case studies. So if you like this idea and would like to be updated on a weekly basis, please make sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking the below bell button. And now, yalla, let's get to it. Today, in this new video, we would like to share with you one of the major topics in order to do some business in the Middle East is patience. You really have to be patient. Some of you guys came to the market, had one trip, found the right partner, and had a lot of successful sales after. But for the purpose of this video, let me call you the lucky ones. If you really want to do some business here, you of course have to visit, but also be patient. In the next videos, we will share with you testimonials of successful international entrepreneurs. They will come and they will explain to you how important it is to make sure that you get this patience. Also, working in this region taught me not to feel excited after the very first meetings. Sometimes it can really take up from 2 to 3 years for you to have the right partner, the first good sales, and surely the long-term perspectives and future plans. Let me now share with you a few major keys on this new topic, and hopefully these will help you to gain the needed patience to develop the market. I have been in many different occasions receiving calls, emails, or WhatsApp confirming the success. We have finally won this tender for a client, or we are ready to load these containers for a client. But somehow I had to understand that I cannot feel the excitement too quickly. It doesn't mean after receiving the approval by email that you will really ship. This is sometimes where it starts the long journey until everything is finalized. Next point, reminders. If I have to be in touch with you and I really want to have some information, I'm not gonna try to call you or send you messages 10 times a day. Although sometimes in the region, this is really what you have to do. You really have to find the right balance between my way of thinking back there home and not being too pushy or rude, and here being very pushy to make sure that the follow-up is made. So please set reminders, but be sure that you have to follow, be in touch with them, and push them a bit to make sure that the deal they promise you is going to be finalized soon. Next point, point number 3. Please make sure to understand your partner. The local market is built to be patient. They also have to wait for the approval from the ministry, or the customs right paper, or the registration to be made, example in Saudi Arabia with the Saudi Food and Drug Authority. So please understand that if you have a very good partnership with your counterpart and they are telling you that they are making the follow-up in their market, it really means they are pushy and they are trying to have the information they need to bring the products or the service in their market, but somehow it also takes time for them to get the right papers and the right confirmation. Point number 4, try to take this time of patience, the waiting time, to sit again and talk with your partner and to remind him again your added value. We here always take the time to meet our partners, our clients' partner, to explain them again why we are so good, why our clients are so good, what are the added value of our clients, what they are aiming at bringing in the market, why it's so interesting for him, being your partner, to really be pushy in also waiting for the documents to receive from his administration and so on and so forth. So please, don't keep this gap of waiting empty. Just try to fit it in with communications and also proof of your willingness, deep willingness, to do business with your partner in the region. Point number 5. Of course, if you have to be patient, then you really have to accept delays. Everything takes time, as I try to explain. If you are rushing, pushing in a very negative way, chances are that you will not meet the expected success. So please understand that delays will be there. If you are coming into this market thinking that everything can be done like this, I think it's better to focus on another area in the world. So delays are there. Patience is then the virtue that you need to really develop. But of course, now you have understood that by coming here, you have to understand to be patient, and then you will face delays. But yet, you came here to do some business. So please try to manage it. Find the right balance. Explain your partner that you have obligations and you are there to make some business. So you can be friendly. You can of course wait for them to have all the information and to finalize the deals. But at the end of the day, you have to make sure that they are really working on making this possible. So please try to find the right balance. I know it's not easy. It means welcome to the Gulf. Thank you all for watching this new video. I hope that you guys really liked it. So of course, if you have any comments, remarks, or any topics that you would like us to talk about, please make sure to write them down below. Of course, as always, please subscribe. And now, as we always say, Yalla, it's your time to succeed.